Morning, evening, afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us live or on demand. My name is Brandon Rees, Product Marketing Manager here at EMQ Technologies. And today I'm joined by our VP of Products, Ben G. And we're really excited today to share some of the latest updates in EMQX 5.10 and ultimately how they're helping teams bring AI directly into their data pipelines. So over the next 45 minutes, we'll walk through what we call the intelligent data pipeline for physical AI and show you how MQTT and large language models are coming together to make real-time data more actionable, contextual, and AI ready. And so I'll start things off with a quick intro to EMQ and EMQX. Then we'll walk through the new capabilities we introduced in the release, including things like large language model integration and S3 tables with Apache Iceberg. After that, Ben will jump in with 2 live demos so you can see how it all works in practice. And we'll also leave some time for Q&A at the end. So please do drop your questions in the chat as we go along here, and we will try our best to get to as many of them as we can before we close. And for whatever reason, if we run out of time, please still do share them, and we will follow up with you afterwards. So with that, let's go ahead and jump in. EMQ has been at the forefront of MQTT and IoT messaging since 2017. We are the creators of EMQX, which is the world's leading MQTT platform, and we do play an active role in shaping the future of open standards through our work with Oasis. And today, our technology currently supports 600 enterprise customers across more than 50 countries, including 75 of which are in the Fortune 500. And we're deeply engaged with global industrial, automotive, energy sectors, and we do have a strong presence and traction in North America and Europe as well. And at our core, we are really focused on building scalable, a reliable backbone for moving IoT data in real time. So from device to cloud, and increasingly into AI systems, which is the main theme for today. So what makes EMQX stand out is its scale and performance. And we support up to 100 million MQTT connections. We process millions of messages per second, and we deliver them with sub-millisecond latency. And for this part, it's important to note that metric was actually a limitation of our benchmark, not our technology itself. So very well could be above the ceiling. So just want to note that. And for developers and architects, this means that you're going to have reliability, you're going to have real-time data that moves at scale. And this is really important for AI-powered applications where speed and freshness of the data matters. So now want to think of EMQX as the data highway between the physical world, which is things like sensors, vehicles, machines, and the digital world of AI, large language models, and analytics. And the real value of AI in IoT depends on getting the right data to the right place at the right time, and importantly, in the right format, right? And that's where EMQX really comes in. So we're not just moving data from A to B, we're enabling that intelligent pipeline that turns raw signals into real insights. So, a quick architecture diagram there to show how it all stitches together and how we comply with the standards. And so for traditional pipelines from IoT to AI are, as we know, full of friction today, right? So from data silos to complex ETL to latency, and constant schema maintenance is a big thing. So for most organizations, having separate stacks for operations and analytics, which makes AI integration messy and slow. Every new use case tends to require a custom pipeline, so which drives up costs and delays for insights. And this is exactly the kind of complexity we're aiming to solve with EMQX 5.10. And so ultimately, our vision is to close this gap between the physical world and AI systems that are running rampant today and gaining a lot of speed and traction. So we're working to take the complexity out of the integration AI tools, really so your team can focus on building value and not managing infrastructure. And we're turning EMQX into that intelligent bridge, one that doesn't just move data, but really understands it. It's going to enrich it and formats it in real time for AI and analytics platforms ultimately.